Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix the Wi-Fi issue on Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra. So before starting the video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So to fix the Wi-Fi connection issue, first of all try restarting your device. So to restart, swipe down and here click on this power icon and then click on restart. Now here again click on this restart icon, and after clicking on this restart icon it will restart your mobile, and after restarting your mobile it will fix your small or software glitches. So after doing this, if it doesn't fix your problem, then the second solution is forget and reconnect to your Wi-Fi. So to do this, open settings, scroll down and here click on connections. Now in connections click on Wi-Fi. Now click on the settings icon with your connected Wi-Fi, and then from here tap on forget, and when you will tap on forget, it will forget the network and disconnect it. And after doing this, go back and then your Wi-Fi connection will show in the available networks section. Now from here tap on your Wi-Fi network and enter your password to reconnect, and after reconnecting the Wi-Fi connection issue will be fixed. But after doing this, if you are still facing the problem, then the next solution is open settings, scroll down and here click on software update and then click on download and install. Now from here it will check for the updates for your phone software. So if your phone software is not updated to the latest version, then update your phone to the latest version, and after updating your mobile software to the latest version, your Wi-Fi connection issue will be fixed. But after all these solutions, if you are still facing the problem while connecting to your Wi-Fi network, then the last solution is open settings again, scroll down and here click on general management. Now in general management, scroll down and here click on reset. Now in reset, scroll down and click on reset mobile network settings, and then again click on reset settings to confirm. So when you will tap on reset settings here, it will reset the mobile network settings, but it will not delete any data from your mobile. And after doing this, your Wi-Fi issue will be fixed. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.